The Ways and Whys of Recycling is sponsored by Rumpke, the recycling leader.
Hi, I'm Jeff Snyder, the Director of Recycling for Rumpke Waste and Recycling, and I've got some questions to test your knowledge about recycling. Let's get started. Number 1, true or false? Plastic bags can be recycled at Rumpke. The answer is false. They create problems for our machinery and cause other complications. The best option is to take them back to the grocery store or a similar resource that can handle them. Number 2, true or false? Post-it notes can be recycled. The answer is true. The bit of sticky adhesive on the back of a Post-it note will not interfere whatsoever with the recycling process. Number 3, true or false? You can recycle lithium-ion batteries. The answer is false. Lithium-ion batteries pose a serious fire hazard and should never be placed in your recycling or your garbage bin. Please consult your local solid waste district for battery disposal options. And finally, number 4, true or false? Prescription pill bottles can be recycled. The answer is false. Rumpke does not accept these pill bottles in our recycling program. Check with your local pharmacy or other resource to see if they can collect empty pill bottles for recycling. How did you do? It is important to know that more than half of what you throw away can be recycled. The key to successful and effective recycling for all of us is knowing what can be recycled and what should stay in the garbage. For more of the latest information about recycling and other useful tips, visit rumpke.com. The recycling leader.
The Ways and Whys of Recycling is sponsored by Rumpke, the recycling leader.